Home security is on every homeowner's mind. But installing traditional CCTV equipment? Now that's a pain in the neck. Plus, on top of all the bills you have, home security shouldn't cost this much. Introducing IMILAB EC2, a 1080p wireless security camera with the best performance and price for an AI system. The IMILAB EC2 has a long battery life that lasts up for 120 days on a single rechargeable battery. No cables required. Compared to other security cameras, the IMILAB EC2 brings you detail and clarity in full HD. As the camera stays dormant, the passive infrared sensor detects life forms, which activates in 1 second and immediately streams to the cloud. The AI technology in this camera is so smart, it can detect pets and identify them as safe without setting off any alarms. Come on, man! I feel safe knowing that the AI will detect anyone trying to break in and will automatically start recording and notify me of any activity. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Even at night, the camera's infrared sensor sees in the dark, in case unwanted guests return.
You know I can see you. I'm contacting the authorities.
IMILAB supports up to 4 cameras on a single gateway. With the IMILAB EC2, you can monitor your home from virtually anywhere. When you're at work, and you want to check on your home at any time, the two-way audio system and the remote monitoring allow me to speak to people directly. Yes, you can leave it
Right at the doorstep.
Oh, will do.
The IMILAB EC2 is easy to set up and can be installed by drilling in the bracket with 2 screws and mounting the camera. Or with an adhesive backhand, simply place it anywhere, mount the camera, and power it on. You can also adjust the angle using the 360-degree ball joint. Hey! IMILAB is a Xiaomi ecological chain enterprise, which uses the most advanced production quality, making the IMILAB EC2 camera also IP66 waterproof. It's tough and durable in any weather condition, operating from temperatures of -4 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. IMILAB EC2 is the first security camera that offers free lifetime cloud storage, along with an encrypted SD card for backup storage, all with no monthly charge. Are you looking for your next best solution in home security? Then try the IMILAB EC2 today.
As any pet lover will agree, cats and dogs are soothing, sweet, silly, and most of all, get bored fast. And here's the thing, most busy people today don't spend nearly as much time with their pets as they should. The results when you leave a dog or cat home alone with nothing to do but stew and meow? Categorically catastrophic. Surely there's got to be something we humans can invent to distract Fluffy from taste testing that brand new shoe or rearranging the bookshelf while we're away. So, a team of engineers got together to create a device that would play with pets when their owner wasn't home, keeping them in shape and out of trouble. Felik was born, the world's first toy that literally plays with your pet. Felik uses real artificial intelligence that takes advantage of your critter's adorable curiosity, giving them the activity and exercise they need every day, even when you're away. Felik is, in a word, pawsome. The most advanced laser pet toy ever developed, Felik tracks one or more animals as they move through a room and, using cutting-edge AI, reacts 8 times faster than a human. For furry fun, that's better than a bowl of mice cream. Felik is so easy to set up and so fun to hunt, you'll feel like the cat who ate the canary, without all those messy feathers. You can remotely monitor your pets with Felik too, and even control the pointer remotely if you feel like being a little fiendish with your 4-legged friend. So, fellow pet owners, here's the deal. Felik is actually operational, field-tested and production-ready. 500 of them have already been sent out, in fact. And our team's got the injection moulding tooling, casting tooling, sheet metal, electronics, certifications and software for producing more, right meow. We just need to raise capital to do that for the poor materials, assembly, inspection, packaging and manpower. So please take a look at our entire campaign page, pick a perks package that fits your budget best, and get a fantastic deal on the world's first AI-powered toy that literally plays with your pet, Felik.
Icon, man, and my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.